Hey there, Budget Brigade. Welcome aboard your HQ for money smarts that don't suck. Imagine a world where your wallet's your best friend, not your worst enemy. I'm your cash captain, here to guide kids, teens, students, grads, and hardworking adults through the wild jungle of finance. Today, we're cracking a mystery. How can one tiny dollar mess with your brain and maybe even make you millions? Sounds nuts, right? Grab a seat, because this whiteboard's about to light up with a trick so sneaky, you'll wish you'd known it years ago. Let's jump in. Picture this. You've got $1 maybe from chores, a paycheck, or that random birthday card from Aunt Sue. You're hyped, thinking, sweet, I'm rich. But then, poof, it's gone. Kids, maybe it's candy. Teens, that app upgrade. Students, another coffee. Adults, bills are that treat yourself splurge. Why is it so hard to keep cash around? It's like money's got a secret vendetta against you, slipping through your fingers faster than sand. Ever felt that sting? You're not alone, Brigademini plays us all, unless we flip the game. Here's the jaw dropper. That $1, it's not just cash, it's a brain hack waiting to happen. Today, I'm unveiling the mind-bending dollar dash, a trick that rewires how you think about money. Stick with me, and you'll see how this tiny move could snowball into millions or at least a seriously fat wallet. Ready to outsmart your own head? Let's do this. All right, here's the mind-bending dollar dash. Step by step, watch the whiteboard come alive. Step 1, snag it next time you get $1. Don't spend it right away. Pause, hold it up, feel its power. Step 2, stash it today, that dollar somewhere clever under your pillow, in a jar. Behind a photo frame somewhere you'll see it, but won't grab it. Step 3, stack it every week, add another $1 to your stash, and watch it growl like a money monster. That's it, snag, stash, stack, and your brain's about to flip out in the best way. Let's meet Tim Hayes, 10, gets $2 a week for walking the dog. Old Tim blew it on gummy worms, gone by Monday. New Tim? He snagged his $2, stashed it in an old sock, and stacked $2 more the next week. 2 months later, 8 weeks, he had $16. He bought a kite, flew it with his pals, and still had cash left. Tim's like, wait, my brain likes this. Small stash, big fun proof it works. Now, say hi to Zoesh's 15, babysits for $10 a pop. She used to burn it on fast food and phone games. Zip, 0 left. Then she tried the dash. Snagged her $10, stashed it in a tin under her desk, stacked another $10 next gig. 3 months in, $60 saved enough for new sneakers and a pizza night. Her friends are like, how'd you do that? Zoe's brain's hooked, she's a money ninja now. Check out Alex, 20, college kid, scrapes $50 from a part-time gig. Old Alex, coffee runs and snacks ate it up. New Alex? Snagged the $50, stashed it in a locked box, stacked $50 more next month. 6 months later, $300 hello, textbooks paid, no stress. Alex says, my brain's tricked, I can't stop saving. That's the Magic Brigade. And here's Maria, 30, works retail, pulls $200 a paycheck after bills. She used to watch it vanish groceries, gas, Then she snagged $20, stashed it in an envelope, stacked $20 every check. A year later, $480 saved emergency fund, done. Maria's brain's like, whoa, I'm rich! And she's just getting started. Here's the deal. Money's not your enemy, your brain just needed a nudge. Now you've got the mind-bending dollar dash, and you're in charge. Thanks for joining me on the Budget Brigade. Go start that stash. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, for more money magic. Stay clever, stay cashy, and peace out, rebels.